tutor. Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start. I see a big fish. It is orange. Again. I see a big fish. It is orange. Your turn to read, children. I see a girl. She is happy. Again. I see a girl. She is happy. Your turn to read, children. I see a ball. It is round. Again. I see a ball. It is round. Your turn to read, children. I see a star. The star is yellow. Again. I see a star. The star is yellow. Your turn to read, children. I see a cake. It looks sweet. Again. I see a cake. It looks sweet. Your turn to read, children. I see a kite. The kite is colorful. Again. I see a kite. The kite is colorful. Your turn to read, children. I see a corn. The corn is yellow. Again. I see a corn. The corn is yellow. Your turn to read, children. I see a frog. The frog is green. Again. I see a frog. The frog is green. Your turn to read, children. I see a crab. The crab is red. Again. I see a crab. The crab is red. Your turn to read, children. I see a book. The book is thick. Again. I see a book. The book is thick. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read together. Are you ready? Let's start. I see a big fish. It is orange. I see a girl. She is happy. I see a ball. It is round. I see a star. The star is yellow. I see a cake. It looks sweet. I see a kite. The kite is colorful. I see a corn. The corn is yellow. I see a frog. The frog is green. I see a crab. The crab is red. I see a book. The book is thick. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lesson. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.